This video is for all the boys out there, the boy geniuses or the genii. Anyways, I'm going to teach you guys how to dress up as boy genius for Halloween, like a boy genius inspired outfit, because when I saw them at the Reset Festival in LA, it was a cultural reset for me, and I was like, oh, they're dressed as the kids from School of Rock. But that's actually not what they were going for. They're just dressed as themselves, and it's a really cool look. It's by the designer Thom Browne, who does these gray suits. So I will show you guys how I'm going to do this kind of outfit on a budget, and how you can do it and recreate it at home as well. First, like all truly kind of sad people, we're gonna wear an all gray color scheme. You might already have something in your closet that matches the gray. I had these pants from Brandy Melville / John Galt, and it's a wonder I could still fit into them, but I got these while thrifting in college. But yeah, these are brown. These are gray, and they fit in well with the outfits that they have. So Julien wears pants sometimes. She also wears like shorter gray shorts. So if you could find like gray, what are those called when they're like knee length? I don't know, like long shorts or pants. Phoebe sometimes wears like a gray dress or a gray skirt, pleated gray skirt, like they wear at like prep schools in England or something. And Lucy too also usually wears pants. So that's a good alternative. Next up, we have socks. Because I'm wearing pants so far, if I find a gray pleated skirt, I would probably wear that, but so far I'm wearing pants. I have these perfect socks. I was going to give these away because I got them at a giveaway, and I don't know how I feel about these ones. But they're Rihanna Fenty socks. They have like it's cute. But each of the toes are like cut out, so yeah, I don't know. That makes me uncomfortable. Like viscerally, I'm like, oh. But these are the perfect. I was like, oh my gosh, I'm glad I didn't donate those because they have the perfect ring around. So that is a keep. So if you're wearing like something where these socks would actually show, then it's good to get gray socks or socks with this kind of like athletic striping, like Stranger Things 80s vibes. And next up, I have my blazer. Okay, so this is a doozy, but you're gonna need a gray blazer. I have been looking all around town. I'm trying not to buy something just because it's, for one night. So I went to an estate sale. But this clearly, it's not my size. It's an extra large in men's. So I'm looking more like a bunch of monkeys in a trench coat rather than a girl or a boy. So this isn't really going to work. But I thought, oh, maybe I could just take it in. And that's what the guy was like, yeah, you could always alter it. And little did I know that's going to be really, really hard to do. But sometimes you got to do hard things. The hard things for Halloween. So I've decided to figure out how to tailor this. And there's there's two more pieces you'll need. One is a gray tie, and I do not have that yet. But maybe I'll make I'm getting very ambitious. But maybe I'll make it out of the butt of this suit once I think tailoring, I'm just gonna chop this in half and sew it up. And optional, you can use a gray vest. Like they wear these vests like you'd see at like weddings. I don't know. I might make the vest out of like the butt of this suit, but I think I might be getting too ambitious. Let me know if you're a sewer, I'm going off the rails here. Okay, and one more thing we'll need. Turning boys into men, we need a dress shirt. This is something that one of my neighbors gave to me. Ralph Lauren, hey, that's fancy. But this is a dress shirt, and I'm sure you may have one, or your dad does, but that doesn't really help much with the resizing. But yeah, these are pretty easy to find in the thrift store if you can just get like a plain white one. And what they do is they have like stripes around theirs. But I don't anticipate that I'll be taking my blazer off because I'm going to the concert on the 31st, and it's going to be cold at the Hollywood Bowl, so I don't think I'm going to go so far as to like tape around here or something. But if you don't have a blazer, which I might not have a blazer after, I don't even know where it went, but after I tailor mine, it may not even work out, so maybe I will just do the sleeves on this one and be like a boy genius after half of the concert. You know, when it gets to bite the hand, you gotta take the coat off, so, for emphasis. So, let's get this together, and then at the end, I'm also going to make a boy genius, like, lapel pin, with the little tooth that signifies, that you shouldn't be an annoying fan, which maybe this is crossing that threshold. But also, I'm also cosplaying as Miranda Cosgrove in my favorite film, School of Rock, so what are you gonna do about it? So I have my blazer here, and I've stretched it out over an old AP art piece I did once, and I had a lot of old 3D puffy paints from a garage sale, so I'm gonna try this out first and see if I can project the image of the logo onto this so I can make it more accurate. So here's the logo, and here's where I'm going to try and draw it on along the back. Is it a bad idea? It's a bad idea, but I'm all about it. So I tried to use the one with the white background, but that wasn't working. And then I found this one, the Pride one, instead, that has been bootlegged on Redbubble. So hopefully this is still accurate. Is it accurate? Wait a second. Okay, I found one from their mouse shirt, which has this like really gross tail that I don't want to look at. But I think this one's more, I know the other one, they probably look the same, but I want to make sure it's accurate. So I've lined it up with the shoulders of the blazer, and I think that looks good just like that. So I'll start tracing it right now. And I'll put a link in the description for this projector. It's really good for movies. I've never used it for this purpose before, and it's actually just awesome. So usually I would just freehand it, but I thought, you know, why work harder when you could work smarter? Get it? I'm a boy genius. I'm just gonna go in with a fabric marker first because I don't know how long this battery will last, so I didn't charge it. So I guess that makes me a girl idiot. Okay, my arm got really tired while tracing that. I decided to do this on a squishy surface, so whenever I move near the projector, it moves the whole thing, which is not the best thing to do. So yeah, I recommend maybe doing this not like that. But let's see how it turned out. Turn this off. Okay. Well, my arm got really tired. You know, like when you're braiding your hair and your arms start to burn? It felt like that. But I'm gonna go over this now in, I'm thinking white would look cool. White ink. I could do rainbow too, but I think white will be the easiest. Okay, why is this actually looking super cute already? So I'm gonna do, let's try it with the silver glitter first. I'm not sure what the difference is between silver and crystal glitter, but it works on almost everything, so let's hope this encapsulates that. Okay guys, the white, it just doesn't really look that great. I'm gonna try True Blue, and it feels good. Tried and true blue. Okay, that's so annoying. Okay, I'm gonna try this and report back, because it's just, I think there's too much of a mix of like the white tones and the black, and it's really hard to see. Okay, the true blue is really sticking out. I think that looks a lot better than the white, so I'm gonna just do that with all of the rest of the letters here. Yeah, that looks really cool in my opinion. I wonder if it'll stay sparkly. This is a shiny bright blue, so I have to let it dry for 4 hours and come back and see how it looks, but overall I'm really happy with this. I'll probably go over maybe these like lighter areas with a bit more paint, but yeah, super cool. Thank you. Okay, here's the finished outfit. So we have the giant blazer, the borrowed tie, the white shirt, and gray pants and socks. And then I forgot to mention that you'll need like some kind of not Birkenstock. Here's the finished outfit. So you get the big blazer, the borrowed tie with the white shirt, and any kind of gray slacks or skirt. And then I have the socks here, and you will need any kind of black shoe, but Doc Martens are the go-to for these.
Boy Genius crowd. I know they wear like Chanel loafers, but that is way out of the budget here. So, yay! We're gonna go be Boy Geniuses this Halloween.
I hope you dug this tutorial, and if you did dig it, please let me know in the comments. Let me know if you end up dressing up like a boy genius. Clearly, I'm really excited about this costume. I don't know if it warrants so much excitement, but you know what? It's the little things in life. So, hope you all have a safe and happy Halloween.
So if you don't have a blazer, you can just do this look.